Hi everyone, welcome you all. So I take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers, viewers and supporters for your continued support. Today is the last date of year 2021. I therefore let us welcome new year 2022. I wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year 2022. So I've been doing a little bit of work in YouTube channel and Facebook. This is primarily the intent is to help young engineers. So I believe in information is knowledge and knowledge is wealth. I have released 2 new books. Earlier, I am happy to inform you that I have got a very good response from you all. For the new year 2022, there are a new announcement in few days from now. A complete details will be given. Today I shall brief you the same. So the first one is a format. It is a detailed estimate format and bar bending schedule format. Both formats are pre-programmed in Excel templates. So detailed estimate format, I don't know how much you can see this. This is the format in the Excel form where it is all pre-filled format and empty formats will be given. You can enter the dimensions in feet and inches. So rest the calculation will do. It will also work out the costing if you give your unit rates. So this is about 9-10 pages. You can add or you can delete rows and columns wherever it is required. So it is a pre-programmed templates. It is also given for a compound wall buildings as well as interior works. So this is a very useful format where you can directly feed the measurement, rest of the calculation it will take care. You have a bar bending schedule. This is also a pre-programmed template in Excel where shapes of the bars are given. So what you primarily need to do is just enter your dimensions over there and dia of bars and number of bars. So rest of the calculation the format will take care. It will be very useful for the young engineers. So basically the concept of QS and BBS is given. The sequencing in a order it comes out, so you get a good understanding. So it is useful for the young engineers as well as for the advanced engineers as well. So these details will be given in few days from now. So whoever is interested, you can please buy it. You have any query, you can definitely call me or WhatsApp me for further details. The second one is building estimator. This is the building estimator. So this has got market rates, rate analysis, from there unit rates are given. So there are certain coefficients are worked out to run the program. So also there is an option given for entering the detailed estimate quantities. So once these data are given, it will automatically work out the costing, required materials for independent house, first floor construction as well as a weathering course, septic tank, compound wall and underground water tank. So all these details can be worked out from this pre-programmed templates which is this. Once you enter the areas here, automatically the quantities and estimations will be given and with costing. So for all these details, maybe in a week's time from now, you will get the complete details. And if you are interested, you can let me know. You can see the descriptions and some screenshots are given, so you can make use of these new launches. My earlier book is Practical Handbook on Building Constructions. So I think most of you have purchased it. Anybody has not taken it so far can go for these details. This is a very useful book for the civil engineers. And other book is Estimation and Costing 2021, and this is a complete package of a detailed estimation and costing is given, and you have complete drawings and estimates. Costing is given. So if you have not taken it so far, you can make these purchases. So thank you all. Once again, I wish you a very happy new year. And in a week's time from now, I'll come with the complete details so that you can take a call. Thank you very much.